B major. The right hand is using the same fingers as we've previously used, and now we have 5 sharps, so C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, and A sharp. So actually 5 sharps and only 2 of the white notes, B, E, and then B is just repeated on top. So dominantly black notes in this one. 1, 2, 3, thumb under onto E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. For the left hand, we're going to start on finger 4, so it's a slightly different placement. It's going to be easier to play this way. We go 4, 3, 2, 1, and then our 4th is going to cross over onto F sharp, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, thumb under, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're playing a group of 4 and another group of 4. And the reason we're using 4 is that it's going to be easier to play rather than 5. You can try out this way as well, but it's a little bit more cumbersome. 4 actually flows easier in this case. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, thumb under, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands together, thumb under, 4 over, thumb under, 3rd over.